My name is Shama Devji, and I'm a founder member of FICRAFIA. I'm a community fit champion and also a national trainer. This month is for suicide awareness from the 1st to the 10th. And we are hoping to, in this way, in many ways, through social media, with the collaboration of people like you, to raise awareness about suicide and how it can be prevented. There is a lot of stigma in suicide because a lot of people do not come up and talk about it. Even by law, they cannot go and say about it. So there is a lot of stigma, and we need to give hope to people that it can be prevented with sharing, because the people, when a person wants to commit suicide, it is not because they want to end up their life. It's because they want to end the pain that they have. So we work on that if they find a way to release the pain, then we can help them out. There is hope, it's okay, they can talk about it and they can find solution to their problem. So the main, our passion, our mission is to raise awareness so that people can come to us, people can talk about their problems, and we have now around 20 community fit champions that people can contact and talk about their problem. So especially suicide is, because it is affecting the youth, we need to take a big step. We need to make sure that they have space to go to, they get information where they can go and talk, where confidentiality will be kept in place. So yeah, this is what, because for, like my colleague said, for every 40 seconds, there is a complete person who commits suicide. But for one completed suicide, there are 20 attempted at that time. So the number is huge. So 800,000 deaths per year just in suicide. So we need to work on that. We need to provide people safe space to talk to, and because there is hope. What we are trying to do is, no matter what it is, no matter what the problem is, there is hope. If you have a space, if you have somebody to talk to, it can be resolved. Nothing is worth, like your life is worth saving. And this is what we are promoting, and this is what we want to take forward to.
And what do you think?
As we have find out, women are way better listeners than men. So they have a lot of compassion. They are able to listen. And as a woman, it's especially as a mother, it's very important that you are aware of what is going on. Because one thing is that a person does not commit suicide overnight. There are some warning signs that we are also putting up on social media. There are some warning signs that are there. A person first think about it, then plans it. How am I going to do it? When am I going to do it? So there is a plan. So if, as a woman, as a mother, if you are aware of those signs, you can pick it up in your children, in the youth, or you are working with, even at work. Women who are working with youth, with people who are adults who are showing signs. As a woman, they are more aware. They are more instinctively, they would know that this person is not. Generally, a woman is much, can pick up the vibes, and they can really help. They are better. And I'm not putting down the men, but I think they have that compassion to be able to see the warning signs.